Hey, Zeek again. Monday, 6th of Feb. So no rehab journal since Friday. Got to the hotel I'm staying at for the 2 weeks. Going up and down those stairs Friday. 45 stairs each way, just getting Uber Eats 3 times. That wiped me out pretty much pain-wise. So I really did not do anything else except lay there on Friday in quite a bit of pain and then go get Uber Eats when I could. And as soon as I lay down in bed, it takes me forever to get out of bed. It's getting better. It's much better. I can get in and out of bed a lot quicker now. Saturday, headed up to Brizzy, see my boyfriend Roo. He'd just done 2 days of exams for his doctor rural letters, and I wanted to celebrate with him, so I caught a cab from my accommodation over to Robina, where his favourite donuts were. Picked that up and got him a present at Robina shopping centre, and then jumped on the train from Robina into Brizzy Central, and then had a good night out with him, celebrating finishing his tests. That I did so much walking. I took my wheelchair with me in case, but I just walked most of that night pretty well myself, which I was surprised how well I did. Pain did flare up. I did use a lot of my breakthrough pain medication, between Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they only gave me the 20 Oxycontin as breakthrough when I left the hospital, so that's pretty much gone. I haven't taken anything since yesterday lunchtime, apart from just Panadol, so I'm gonna try and keep it that way. I got physio this morning. Roo drove me back down yesterday afternoon on Sunday, and we walked around Pacific Fair and did the Pokemon Go Noibat community event. So I'd say both days I probably got 3 or 4 kilometers of walking in, without the chair, without the back brace. So I'm doing pretty well. I'm pretty happy with that. And up and down the stairs here several times a day. So I'm doing like 300-400 stairs a day easy. So that's pretty good. Today, 10 a.m. I've got physio. So I'll get up and do that. I'll go jump in the shower and then record some more. The hardest bit's actually getting out of bed in the morning, because you can't twist, so you gotta do the log rolls and then try and sit up, and it's the shitty bit. But okay, I'll chat in a minute. Hey, so getting ready to go to the physio. Wounds are getting better. The stomach one's healing up okay. The hip one, it's been a little bit green and manky, but I had the boy check it out and he said it's still okay, so I've just been putting Savlon on that. That's where they took the bone graft out to make the cages up for my lower back. Posture wise, I'm definitely noticing the lordosis in my lumbar is much less than it used to be. It used to be quite far in that way, so this is really curved back that direction a lot. So yeah, my posture's definitely changed. That swollen testicle's finally gone down, so I've got a nice bruise there, but they're back to normal size. I think that's all like wounds and post-op damage wise at the moment. Obviously no bending, no twisting still for the first 6 weeks, and the pain's still quite bad, but I'm walking around pretty good balance wise without even using that back brace. So I'm trying not to use it all. I'll keep it in my backpack, but tried to do everything today, walking around everything without the brace at all, and without any S8, so oxycodone medication stuff, any heavy painkillers. I don't want to take anything any longer above a 500 milligram paracetamol and like a 200 milligram ibuprofen. I just want to stick to that. I don't want to go over that. So yeah, I'll head off to the physio shortly. Cheers.
to arrive at Broadbeach South Station is out of service. Please do not board this tram. Thank you.
So I went up, walked over to the train, caught from South Broadbeach up to Southport. Saw the physio, did my exercises, came back, walked around Pacific Fair for a bit, grabbed some stuff and came home. Still haven't had any painkillers since yesterday lunchtime, so it's over 24 hours now. Although walking around stairs, train rides, yeah, I'm buggered, so I'm having a bit of a lay down now. I'll get up again hopefully later on this evening, but yeah, I'm pretty spent for today. Noticing a big difference, no painkillers, but I want to stick to it. I did more than enough. I walked more than a couple of Ks today, plus all the couple hundred stairs, plus all the physio stuff, so I'm good with where I'm at today. It's not much, but it's also not too much, which is the big thing the physio was talking with me about today, is someone like me that's too motivated can actually do more damage than good. So yeah, today's good. We'll get into having a look around what gym stuff's here. They don't want me really doing any gym stuff until 6 weeks, but there might be some there's a lot of light core stuff I can get doing, so just stick to body weight stuff for now, but there's still plenty of body weight stuff I can do. So anyway, I'm wrecked, so I'll put these videos together, stick it on. Stuff will get more exciting soon. I just got to grind through the shitty patch of can't really do too much, so I don't screw all the fusions and stuff that are trying to settle together, because if I do too much and that stuff pops out, it means another surgery or more wait time. So I just have to be sensible and listen to my body and give the stuff inside me the time it needs to settle and fix in place. So okay, I'll see you tomorrow.